Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Nitro PDF and loading the document you want to edit. This ensures you're working in the right file. Once open, make sure editing mode is active so text fields are changeable, and run OCR if pages are scanned so words become selectable. Save a backup copy immediately. That way you can revert if a replace action affects layout. These steps reduce risk and let you proceed to precise find and replace operations without losing the original content. You now access the Find tool with Edit, Find, or Control plus F and type the word to replace, because locating instances first prevents unintended edits. Next, open the Replace dialog and enter the new word. Make sure to toggle match case or whole word only to avoid partial matches. Use the Preview or Replace all cautiously, and limit the scope to specific pages or the current selection. These options let you control accuracy and keep document layout intact during bulk edits. You finish by reviewing every replaced instance, scanning for formatting shifts or broken line wraps caused by word length changes. This step preserves visual integrity. If you spot problems, immediately use Undo, Control plus Z, or restore your backup copy to avoid cascading errors. If replacements failed due to OCR inaccuracies, rerun OCR with different settings or convert affected areas to editable text boxes and change words manually. These troubleshooting actions fix common issues and ensure your final PDF looks and reads correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.